Tired of water spots and swirl marks ruining your perfect wash? The right drying towel can make or break your car's finish. And today, I am going to reveal the top 8 professional-grade options that actually deliver streak-free results. After extensive research, I've identified which towels absorb like a sponge, which stay lint-free for years, and which ones could actually damage your paint. Whether you're detailing a show car or just maintaining your daily driver, one of these towels belongs in your arsenal. Here's the definitive breakdown. No fluff, just the facts you need to choose wisely. Let's dive in. Number 1 is Detail Demands Car Drying Towel. This professional-grade drying towel features 1400 GSM thickness, premium 70% polyester, and 30% polyamide microfiber blend with 1.4 mm twisted loops that absorb 1.2 gallons of water, enough for most full-size SUVs. The dense construction creates strong capillary action, lifting water in single passes without pressure that causes swirls. During testing, it removed 95% of surface moisture from a ceramic-coated sedan with just one ring. The black color hides stains but requires cold water washes and air drying to maintain peak performance. Machine drying degrades fibers. While stiff when new, it softens after 3 washes. Downsides: bulky storage and slow drying time, 24+ hours. Ideal for enthusiasts who prioritize efficiency over portability. Number 2 is the Rag Company Edgeless 365 Car Drying Towel. A 16 by 16 inch 365 GSM dual pile towel with 382 to 492 fibers per square inch. The 6 mm long nap side safely removes waxes compounds, while the 3 mm tight weave side delivers streak-free buffing. Independent testing confirmed 200+ wash durability when air-dried. The edgeless design prevents trim snags, and the light gray color helps spot contamination. At 365 GSM, it lacks capacity for whole car drying, but excels for glass polishing, coating maintenance, and interior surfaces. Requires separate towels for dirty jobs to avoid staining. A must-have for precision work. Number 3 is Beyond Braid Drying Towel. This 24 by 36 inch towel's hydrophilic polymer-treated fibers move water 43% faster than standard microfiber. The 3D spacer fabric between layers prevents saturation points. During testing, it dried a Model 3 in 4.2 minutes versus 7.5 minutes with conventional towels. The twisted loop construction leaves zero lint on black paint but requires a pat-dry technique. Includes a hanging loop for storage. Best for ceramic-coated vehicles, dark colors, and detailers wanting professional results at home. Number 4 is Adams Polish's Edgeless Drying Towel. A versatile 16 by 16 inch 480 GSM edgeless towel that balances absorbency up to 0.5 gallon capacity and maneuverability. The medium-density pile works equally well for drying, wax removal, and interior surfaces. The white color reveals contaminants but stains easily. Dedicate to clean tasks only. Survives 100+ machine washes, no fabric softener, with minimal fiber degradation. Perfect for daily drivers needing weekly maintenance and multi-purpose use. Lacks the heft for full vehicle drying but excels as a finishing towel. Number 5 is KKV 2-Pack Microfiber Towels. This budget-friendly set features an 800 GSM PE-edged construction that prevents trim scratches while offering decent absorption, 3x its weight. The polyester-polyamide blend provides adequate glide for basic drying, though it requires more passes than premium towels. During testing, the blue color showed noticeable fading after 30+ washes, and the center seams began thinning at 50+ cycles. The included hanging hooks make them ideal for wheel duty or door jams where cross-contamination is a concern. While not suitable for show car finishes, they deliver reliable performance for weekly washes when paired with a quick detailer. Machine wash, warm, but avoid bleach. Number 6 is Shscly Microfiber Towel. Specializing in tight spaces, this 24 by 20 inch towel combines 600 GSM absorption with silk edge borders that are truly scratch-proof. The compact size excels at mirrors, emblems, and interior vents where larger towels bulk up. Testing revealed it absorbs 1.5 aljo maximum, enough for spot drying but insufficient for full vehicles. The twisted loop construction sheds lint initially but becomes reliably lint-free. Ideal as a secondary towel for final buffing, glass touch-ups, and ceramic coating maintenance. Handles machine washing well but air dry to preserve the delicate edges. Number 7 is Crystal Clean's 1300 GSM towel with a unique spring-like texture that's 40% easier to wring than comparable towels. The 20 by 30 inch size strikes a balance between coverage and maneuverability, drying mid-size sedans with 2 to 3 rings. The edgeless design glides smoothly over curves and wraps without catching. Lab tests showed 0% fiber loss after 75 washes when using cold water and mild detergent. Downsides requires low heat drying and the light gray color stains permanently with wheel cleaners. A top choice for glass surfaces, ceramic-coated cars, and detailers wanting professional results without bulk. Number 8 is KKV full-sized SUV towel. Engineered for large vehicles, this 48 by 24 inch 1400 GSM monster incorporates visible water channels in its twisted yarn structure to distribute moisture evenly. Dries full-size trucks in 5 to 7 minutes, time testing, with just one ring. The seamless edges are safe for PPF and vinyl wraps, while the medium-density pile 1.2 millimeters prevents the stiffness of heavier GSM towels. Storage requires careful folding or a dedicated wall hook. For most car owners, the detail demands 1400 GSM towel delivers the best balance of absorption, scratch-free performance, and durability, easily drying a full vehicle in one go. Budget-conscious buyers will appreciate the KKV 2-pack for basic needs, while perfectionists should opt for the Rag Company Edgeless 365 for flawless finishing work. Large SUV truck owners need the KKV full-size towel's massive 48-inch coverage. Skip cheap low GSM towels. They cause streaks and swirls. Invest in proper microfiber. Your paint will thank you.